What's going on YouTube? Guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I take to the range with me. My Glock 48. Guys, I haven't shoot this thing now in 2 years. So I take it out, clean it up, and I said let me take it out here and put a few rounds through it. I have this now for quite a few years, and I put less than 500 rounds through it. Everything I put in this thing here, it worked perfectly fine. So let me see if I can hit that target right here. Not too bad. I was holding my sight up so I can see I'm hitting 2 out of the black, and I put a few of them on target right here. Let's just keep shooting. Really awesome day here, guys. You guys know I really like to make my videos outside, out in the woods, but with my pistol here, I don't know of any outdoor range that I can go to. I know where there is one, not too far from me, but it's very hard to get into it. And you know, over here in Canada, if you're taking your restricted firearms outside shooting, it have to be a licensed range. So I just take it indoor here and do some shooting. Can see I'm putting them on target a little bit to the left, so maybe I need to hold more to the right. Ever since, you know, I have these my pistols, I barely shoot them because I spend the majority of my time out in the woods. But I'm going to come here more often, and the range where I'm at, they also rent firearms as well. So looking somewhere nice, you don't have any firearms, or you want to try something different, these guys, they have it. I'm going to rent a few firearms from them, not right now, but next time. Putting on a few on there, but like I said, majority left. So greatest thing, I'm hitting it, so that's good. That's good there, guys. Pretty awesome. Let me just dunk this one and we just leave it right here. all clear, all empty right here, guys. Let me bring this thing home and you guys can see it. Get some here, like I said. I'm just trying to figure out my site. Get some here and get some right over here on this left side, so nothing on the right. So gonna leave it from there. You guys have any tip? Leave it in the comment section down below. But for now, guys, that's going to be it. So peace, love, unity. Out for now.